All right, it's like 7:15 in the morning. Justin and I are up. Leo's up, eating his bottle, watching the chickens, drinking his milk. Sam's still asleep, and we're getting ready to have breakfast at the yacht club. I don't know. Oh, we didn't do a walkthrough yesterday. This is our room. It's Incredibles themed. It's all messy now. This is the living room. The couch is super comfy. Got a TV in here for the kids to watch. Kitchen, where we've already loaded up on milk and drinks and snacks. Dining room. Through here's the front door. It has like a sitting room in here with a ping pong table slash pool table. Pretty cool. Be good for like older kids. And then we come back through this way. The pool's out there, which we broke in yesterday. Kids' bathroom. This is where Leo slept last night. So, there's Hussey. He's awake. Okay. Leo's room. Star Wars. Crib. And now Sam's awake. Let's go get Sam.
The orange fire.
The orange fire?
What happened, buddy?
Volcano blow the orange fire.
You remember seeing the volcano yesterday at Disney?
With the big fire?
Yes.
Sammy's room has a big giant Mickey Mouse on the wall. Did you sleep good, buddy? Yeah? You want to go back night-night?
Not Sammy.
No. Are you still sleepy? Guess what we're gonna do today? What have you been asking to do this whole time? You wanna
Go night-night.
You wanna go night-night? Alright, close your eyes. Go night-night. We'll see you when we get back from the monorail.
There's the rainbow.
Colors of the rainbow, yeah.
Guys, are the rainbow monorail.
Yeah, you
want the red monorail?
Yes.
Orange monorail?
Yes.
You want all the colors of the rainbow monorail? We gotta go get dressed. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna eat breakfast. You want Mickey waffles for breakfast?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's go. Where are you going, buddy?
I want a big black train. I want a little blue train.
You want to watch trains? We're in Disney World and you want to sit down and watch trains. You want to go ride the monorail?
No.
Yellow choo-choo train.
Black train.
Yay!
Black train at the beach, that's right. You like trains?
Do everything you want to do before you're done. Ah, Disney World! We're in Disney World, Sammy!
Yes.
Sammy, say Mickey waffles!
No.
I said, Sammy, say Mickey waffles. He said, no. Leo, say Mickey waffles. We're going to a resort we've actually never been here before.
Yeah.
This is the Ale and Compass, and we're gonna eat at a restaurant. No, this is the Yacht Club. The restaurant is Ale and Compass. Oh, Lord. Oh. Sammy, look at mommy, say cheese. Sammy, look at mommy, say cheese. Samuel, you're not listening, say cheese.
Cheese.
Go spin it. Go put your hands on it and spin it and say cheese. All right, look at mommy.
Cheese.
Come here, Sammy. Come here. Go. Hey, no yelling. Sammy,
Bye.
go say hi to Mary Poppins.
Go say hey.
Do you like adventures? That's quite nice. Do you have lots of others then?
Say yes, ma'am.
Do you quite like toys?
Go see
You're
her.
a bit like Jane, rather inclined to giggle and doesn't put things away.
Say yes, ma'am.
Ah, perhaps you'll grow up to be a writer just like she did.
Say yes, ma'am.
Go stand with Mary Poppins.
Sammy.
Sammy. There you go. That's fine. Say cheat. Yeah, pretty smile. Very nice. Thank you, Mary Poppins. Can you blow a kiss? Say bye-bye. Nope. Sammy, get your hands out, baby.
Yayos. Say hey.
There you go. There's a dolphin swimming behind Leo, Sammy. Here comes the dolphin, Sammy, look. Sammy, look up, look up. Here comes the dolphin. Here comes another one. Wow.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Oh, you're going to Elsa's ice palace. Let's go. I'm going. It'll be so beautiful. Welcome to Elsa's ice palace. We get to share this frozen fun for the first time forever. Elsa's in
Would you say that we're elated or gasping?
Let's just call it.
right. The kiddos are asleep. So that means Hussy and I got our cool towels on and we are shopping. Jesse just got his caramel popcorn and now we're gonna go to Italy and look in Italy and then off to France and England.
Yep.
Somebody woke up from his nap time.
Yep. Hey there.
That somebody is named Leo. He doesn't like his hat. We're gonna walk over to England and go to the shops in England. Sammy's still asleep. And maybe get some festival food. I'm pretty hungry. Are you waving? Say hi. Look, there's Leo.
Whoa.
Do you see Leo?
Whoa.
Oh yeah, I would love to eat at that creperie. Sammy, are you excited to go see the rat? Yes. Leo, are you excited to go see the rat? Say yes, Mommy. And this was just closed down. They went to the bathroom and I was gonna say when they got to the bathroom, let's go ride the monorail, but it just opened back up. So we're pretty much walking right on. That was really neat. What'd you think?
I had no idea what it was
About?
what it even was.
Oh, Sam, you wanna get on the little motorcycle? Sammy, did you like that ride? Did you like it? You wanna do it again? No. Where is it? Say hey, monorail. That's Sammy's blue monorail. All right. Are you excited? Here we go. That's
To those guests
right.
who joined us, welcome. For those of you standing, please hold onto the handrails throughout our journey and remain clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. We are traveling to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Inside the great ceremonial house, you'll find shopping and dining with a South Sea flavor.
I see you. You are riding the green monorail, buddy. Do you love it?
Yes.
It's so much fun.
Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. For those of you standing, please hold onto the handrails and stay clear
All right,
of
we're
the doors
stopping.
until the monorail stops.
Do you want to ride it again?
For those of you remaining on board, our next stop is Disney's Grand
Yes.
Floridian
Do you want to ride it
Resort
again?
Spa. With continuing service,
All right.
kindly offer available seating to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold onto the handrails and stay clear of the doors. They'll be closing in a moment. Thank you. As you board, please continue moving across your car to make room
Oh,
for
give that
exits.
boy some
Please
water.
offer available seating to those needing special assistance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrail and stay
What are you
clear of the
riding,
doors.
Sammy?
They will be
I'm
closing.
riding green
Thank you. Please
monorail.
continue moving across your car.
We're riding the green monorail. Are you having
If
fun?
you're standing,
Yes,
please
I
hold
have
on to the handrail
round
and stay clear of the doors. The
love the
monorail will
monorail?
depart momentarily. Thank
Yes.
you.
Will I again?
Yes, we can ride it again. Yes.
Mwah.
Love you.
I love you, Mommy.
Disneyland since 1959. The Walt Disney
Don't stand on the door. Look, you can look out the window right here, but not on the door.
And was expanded to
There you go.
in 1982. Mark 6 monorails replaced the original Mark 4 monorails at the Walt Disney World Resort in early 1991. Each train has a capacity of more than 300 passengers and travels at speeds up to 40 miles per hour. You may have
Yeah.
noticed each part of the monorail is identified.
What do you see? Stay right there.
Our pilots use the colors to help identify the monorail operating on the system. Originating from the Transportation and Ticket Center, there are 3 separate monorail lines. These include the EPCOT monorail,
Sammy, say hey.
the Magic Kingdom,
Wave,
and the Resort
wave.
monorail, which services Disney's.
Here, this one. It's not carbonated.
It's spicy.
It's juice.
It's juice. Try it.
I promise. Here, look.
Is it good? You want some more? Out of your little cup?
Try that juice.
Try the Beverly.
Here.
My daddy. Daddy, you see the big boat?
I do.
And another big boat stop.
See the water, Sammy? Sammy, stand up, look at mommy and say cheese.
Cheese,
Look at mommy.
cheese, Dad.
Stand up. Hey, put your hands down. Say cheese.
Cheese.